Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create 3D by stool design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First go drawing units, UN and length type decimal, precision 0, insertion scale, set unit millimeters. Okay, now go view control, select top view, visual style control, select 2D wireframe. Okay, let's see. Go circle, C enter, center point, radius 140, enter. Okay, Z enter, A enter, zoom all, move M enter, select object. Okay, now go view control, select SW isometric, go extrude, select circle, enter, extrude height 5 mm, enter. Okay, again circle, C enter, center point, radius 20 mm. Okay, extrude, select object, enter, extrude height 250, enter. Okay, again circle, center point, radius 25, enter, extrude, select circle, enter, extrude height 450, enter. Okay, go union, select object, select, enter. Now go solid, fillet edge, radius 25, enter, select edge. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. Okay, go home, polyline 25, 25, 25, 10, 10, 5, 10, close, C enter. Okay, go fillet, radius 3 mm, select multiple, click. Okay, enter. Now go extrude, select object, enter, extrusion height 5 mm, enter. Okay, okay, go line, L enter, first point, next point 100 mm, enter. Okay, circle, C enter, center point, radius 1.5 mm, enter. Okay, stretch line. Okay, go sweep, select object, enter, select sweep path. Okay, move M enter, select object, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click here, click here. Okay, now go, oh, click here. Okay, move M enter, select object, distance 20 mm. Okay, now go coordinate, select front, rotate, arrow enter, select object, base point, auto off, angle 60, enter. Okay, now go view control, select top, coordinate, click here, select view. Okay, circle, C enter, center point, radius 25, enter. Go polyline, okay, stretch. Okay, mirror mi enter, select object, mirror line, click here. Okay, go fillet, F enter, radius 15 millimeter, select line. Okay, okay, it's okay. Now go with control, select SW isometric, circle, C enter, center point, radius 2.5 millimeter, go sweep, select object, enter, select path. Okay, move M enter, select object, base point, type from, enter, click here, auto on, distance 25 millimeter. Okay, circle, delete. Okay, let's see, visual style, control, shaded, it's okay. Go solid, fillet edge, radius R, enter, 3 millimeter, enter, select edge, enter, enter. Okay, view control, select top. Okay, coordinate, click here, select view. Now go ellipse, axis and select first point, 400, enter, 115, enter. Okay, copy, select object, paste, 195, enter, 110, enter. Okay, go polyline, PL, enter, first point, 100, 400, 100, enter, fillet, radius 85 millimeter, okay, copy, CO, enter, select object, stretch 10 millimeter, enter. Okay, distance DI, enter, 400, 390. Okay, go with control, select SW isometric, 3D rotate, select, 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 red plane, 90, enter. Okay, now go extrude, select object, select, enter, extrusion height 250, enter. Okay, now go press pull, select, multiple M, enter, select, enter, extrusion height 250, enter. Okay, go thick, select, enter, 5 millimeter thick. Okay, again thick, select object, 12 millimeter thick. Okay, line, L, enter, repeat line. Okay, move M, enter, select object, base point, type from, click here, auto on, 20 millimeter, enter, move M, enter, select object, base point, type from, enter, auto off, click here, auto on, 20 millimeter. Okay, now go intersect, select object, enter. Okay, now go solid, fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter, enter, select edge, select, enter. Okay, again go intersect, select object, select, enter, go fillet edge, radius 7 millimeter, enter, select edges, enter. Okay, go line, L, enter, create line. Okay, move element, select object, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click here, okay, type from, enter, click here, up 5 millimeter, enter. Okay, let's see, shaded, it's okay. 2D wireframe, go union, select object, select, enter, repeat union, select, enter. Okay, go circle, C, enter, center point, radius 50 millimeter, extrude, select circle, extrusion height 5 millimeter, enter, go line, L, enter, first point 160, enter, 160, enter. Okay, go fillet, F, enter, radius 50 millimeter, enter. Okay, rectangle, rec, enter, first corner, dimension D, enter, 35, enter, 5 millimeter, enter, click here, fillet, F, enter, radius 3 millimeter. Okay, select, okay, move element, select object. Okay, stretch line here. Okay, copy, CO, enter, select object, enter, base point, click here. Okay, exit. Now go coordinate, click here, select right. Okay, go rotate, arrow, enter, select object, base point, auto on, angle 90. Okay, now go coordinate, select UC's world. Okay, move element, select objects, enter, base point, click here. Okay, go joint, J, enter, select lines. Okay, now go sweep, select object, select path. Okay, go union, select object, enter. Okay, repeat union, select, enter. Okay, okay, now go visual style control, select shaded. Okay, let's see. Now a material browser, generic, right click, duplicate, edit material, image, click here, open, click to image, 150, enter. Okay, close, tint. Okay, close, global, right click, duplicate, click here, select image, sun makeup plywood. Okay, click to image, $450, enter, rotation 90, enter. Okay, close, go to text library, select flooring, red oak natural, select, drag and drop, edit, click to image, sample size 250, enter, close, AutoCAD library, select metal, select stainless polished, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, select plastic, find textured black, drag and drop. Okay, now go view control, select top, plane surface. Okay, view control, select SW isometric, shaded, visual style control, realistic, select plane surface, red oak natural, assign to selection. Okay, select object, select stainless polished, assign to selection. Okay, select object, find texture, assign to select object, select, assign to selection, select object, select, assign to selection. Okay, now exit from material browser, right click here, select perspective. Okay, let's see. Set enter, zoom window. Okay, now go visualize, render environment, turn on, use custom background, tick background, click, select solid, color. Okay, rotation 30, enter, close, Render size, select full HD TV. Now render. Okay, edit global one, tint, untick, close. Okay, exit from material browser, render. It's good. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.